Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type lightning edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and customize it however you like. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photo. Pick a photo, adjust it and tap at the top right corner. Then when you're done, click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, set As and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back into the app, choose Home, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Choose Yes, then tap on the switcher next to this app, go back and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!